Because Blackboard will shortly be decommissioned, the Math Physics department has moved to Google Drive to house the information that would usually be on the organization for our math classes. To get to Google Drive, log in to MyDTCC and click on Resources. Once you do that, scroll to Technology and click on Google Drive. When you do that, your Dell Tech Google Drive will pop up. If necessary, be sure to choose your Dell Tech account, not a personal Gmail account, as the team drives have only been made available to your Dell Tech accounts. On the left-hand side, you can click on Team Drives. You'll see the classes that you are at or that you are currently teaching here. Let's look at Math 010. If you click there, you'll see our activities and labs, course policies. There's also some quizzes if you need them in paper version. And this is also where you'll find Smartboard notes, our syllabus, and our tests. If you click on the tests, that's where you can see the PDF versions of the tests. If you need to submit these to the testing center, please be sure to download the PDF and email them the actual PDF. If you try to just link here, they will not be able to see it as they do not have access to the test team drive. You'll also see under Math 101 and some of your other classes a checklist that might be especially useful if it's the first time you're teaching the class. And if there have been any changes or urgent communications, they should also be here in the Google Drive. If you have any questions, please reach out to your course lead.